Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So this is your first time of seeing me. My name is Jennifer Nidu. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based here in Texas, and I create content around fashion, dress reviews, and vlogs. So today, just like my thumbnail, I'm going to be unboxing this gift. Oh my goodness, from my aunt. She gifted it to me. I've always wanted this particular size because it's kind of close to my size in the middle. You know, I already have two gifted to me from my husband. He got it for me, and this is just like, oh my goodness, I always wanted it. So yeah, she made it happen. So thank you, auntie. So guys, do not go anywhere, because at the end I'm going to be doing like measurements and telling you guys where I got it from. I'm just super excited because with this dress form, I can drape, I can do all kinds of stuff, you know what I'm saying, you know, and just play around with stuff because it's close to my measurement, and I can just kind of just learn something about it more. And let's get straight to the video, guys. I'm just super excited. Do not go anywhere, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, and let's get started, okay? So guys, this is what it is out of the box. The box, man, took a little bit of time, and this is what is inside the stand and everything here. And of course it comes with the pole. It's a size 14. I'm just excited. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it together, and then I'm gonna come back and then show you guys. Yep, Lord help me fix this thing together. Hey, I'm back putting this dress form together. Guys, this thing almost took me out. It shouldn't, because on YouTube they have a video on how to put it. Of course it has a manual. I did everything, but I missed the part, like the spring at the bottom part, but it's all good. I called them and they kind of helped me like instantly, so we're good. I'm super excited. I am excited because, guys, I've always wanted this dress form, like I mentioned, I did. And the cool part is, of course, you can adjust it down, and of course you can take it up to any level you want, you know, about my height or my shoulder height, or, you know. I like it. I do like it. And the fact that, I mean, the fabric, I like the arm is different from the two that I have, you know. And let's see the measurements, because it's close to my measurement, really close. So the bust here is 39.5, like 40. Yeah, 39.5, almost 40. I like to make sure my measurements are done properly. The back, everything is aligned. So 40. And then the waist, of course, it's 31. And then the hip is 40.5. Yes. And my bust is 38. My waist is 30, used to be 33.5, but it's like down to 32. We're trying to see if we can get it to 31, 30, you know what I'm saying? Guys, after 4, we have to go back. And my hip is like almost the same side, like it can 39, 40. So this is good. So with this, you know, it has like the style lines, yeah, from the shoulders. You want to like a shoulder dart, and everything is placed correctly. You know, if I want to like an underbust corset, it already has the lines. I just have to put my draping tape or anything. It has the waist outlined for you, round, you know, the shoulder. Let me see, from one shoulder point to the next is 17. Mine is not 17 though, but it kind of gives me an idea of what to do when I want to grade my patterns, like when I drape, you know. I'm super excited, guys. Let me show you the other ones that I have. Yep. This is a size 10. This is the size 10. And this is the size 20. Yeah, so it's more like small, medium, large. Because I could use the size 6, 8, 10 for that dress form. In between 12, 14, 16 here. And of course, 18, 20 and all. But this one has like a long arm. So it's all good. Guys, I'm excited. I'm excited. Yeah. So I got this dress form from the shop company. I'm going to put the link in the description box below, you know, and the picture of the company. You have to go there and kind of just browse through it, pick the right dress form you want, and make sure it's available. Usually they don't have it, they will ship. This came on time. There were no delays or anything. So I'm really, really excited. I'm so excited. Yes, I'm sure you can see I'm excited. So this too, my hubby got it for me. This thing fell. My kids, God bless them. Yeah, I got it for me a long time ago. So I don't know where he got it from. This too, I do not know. But I'm sure you can see on Amazon. The same shop company too, they do have it. Yeah, and eBay too, you can also get it. So I cannot wait to drape and try stuff on. I'm super excited, guys, you know, and my client just left and the dress fit perfecto. I'm about to do another video. So check out my other video coming up soon. I am super excited. Like I always know, like I always say, calm down, be calming down, eh? Like I always say, what God cannot do does not exist. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out.